Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's day 14. We're still at $120. We haven't sold the tree cookie table yet. But yeah, today we are going to be putting the legs up together for we had another side table order. We're doing that. And we are also going to sand the tops of those and get a coat of epoxy on them. Also, we are going to be biscuit joining these two spruce pieces together. But that's basically the plan for today. If we have some more time left over, we will start another project. I'm not sure what it is yet, but yes, we will start another project. Other than that, thank you for all the subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a day of posting. It's nice to see that we're getting some traction on YouTube. It's definitely, I didn't think it would happen this fast, but thank you guys. Here we go. Hey everyone, so that's all we're gonna do for today. As you seen, we did run into a lot of issues with that gluing up those two slabs together. That did not work as planned. I'm not completely sure what happened. All I know is it was tough getting them together, and then I kind of had them together, and then all of a sudden when I started clamping even with the boards on the side, it started curling and popped out of the biscuit joints, which I was like, what? And so I tried to hold that together, and then just everything went bad, and there it is right there. I guess we're just gonna, I'll be able to use the boards for something else. I'm just gonna, maybe that's our sign that I need to get a planer soon. Because if I had a planer, I'm pretty sure the boards would have been more straight, and they probably would have went together a lot better, and there wouldn't have been an issue with gluing them up like that. Anyways, that's all right. We'll try again another time. We did get done the legs though. That's good. Now just waiting for them to dry, and we'll sand them tomorrow. We also did start epoxying, and yeah. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.